Our customers are using robots for more than just welding a part on a cart, right? They're doing things like they need to weld vessels for hydraulic fluid and fuel, access complex shapes with the robots, complicated processes like through-arc seam tracking, and the advanced capabilities that Fronius offers. We don't sell other brands of power sources when it comes to welding. We try to use the best we can find, which we think is Fronius. When it comes to cutting, we think Hypertherm is the best you can buy in the plasma space. When it comes to oxy-fuel, we use IHT out of Germany for the oxy-fuel cutting system. So along with that, all of our stuff supports coordinated motion. So if you want to buy a laser system with up to 6-axis coordinated motion, including a track, if a customer buys it, it's a standard item that we keep on the shelf. So we inventory a lot of different options for our customers. We make traditional integration projects, we turn them into more of a quick turnaround solution for our customers, where normally some of the stuff would take months to get from a traditional integrator.
THG is essentially a bunch of traditional robot guys that have created all the functionality that you'd find on traditional robots for the Cobot market. Whether that's external axes, coordinated motion, or advanced searching techniques. All of those features are common on traditional robots, but a lot of people don't use them because they're complicated and hard to use. So taking all of that functionality, writing software that brings it to the user in a user-friendly format that's simple as a checkbox is what we do different.
A lot of customers buying automation the first time, some of them really got stuck with a system that they were sold and a lot of promises that they didn't see the reality of. The modularity that we offer our customers is really that, right? It's taking something that's standardized that bolts to something else that's standardized. If you want to buy a robot on a table, you buy a robot on a table. It does welding, does it great, it's a great solution. If you want to add to that, you want to add a second table so you can create 2 stations. The software and the hardware supports that. So all you do is call us up and say, I want to add a second table. We send you the equipment you need, you plug it in, and now you've got a dual station set up, or just a larger surface to weld one part. Behind me, you'll see this 5x10 table. It's got a track on it, it's got the power source underneath it, and it's got TIG and MIG welding equipment attached to it. So that could be modular. You could start out with the table and the robot, and then you can come back and say, hey, we want a track and we want the TIG equipment to add to it. We try to make it easy so you can add those items after the fact. So when you buy something, you're not stuck with that something. You can always add something else, because we want to make sure our customers can feel like that they can start out with the basics, learn the basics, and then when they get more advanced, they can add more advanced functionality. And that is the modularity we offer our customers. From the beginning, THG Automation came out of the gate knowing that our customers needed support on site. When we build our systems and our customers buy our systems, we're like, hey, when do we come and show you how to use our systems, right? Not only that, but how do we come and show you with somebody that knows how to do whatever this thing is doing, in most cases, welding and cutting. So that was something that we really came out of the gate with, and I think it was a huge differentiator for us. That's a big value for our customers. They don't want to get some piece of equipment, put it together, power it up, and go, oh, what do I do now, right? They want someone to say, oh, what are you trying to do with that? Oh, let me help you with that. Let me bring my manufacturing expertise so I can help you get there, right? Maybe the customer thinks they're going to weld the entire part in one shot, and we're like, well, maybe that's not a good idea. Let's weld part of it here, and let's make another station and weld part of it here. So let's nest this like you would in automotive. Let's take those experiences that we would have and show you how to optimize your arc on time and make this easier to program at the same time. So those are things that we really were excited to bring to our customers. We wanted our customers to have access to stuff that was normally a science project, but yet make it really simple and easy with the expertise behind it to help them get where they needed to be. And so, making these pre-engineered cells, coming up with equipment to weld in projects and materials that customers were having a hard time with, and having the expertise to say, hey, we're here to help you. We're going to help you because we've been there. So those are the things I was excited to see us do for our customers. And I think we're doing that. The great thing is there's a lot more to do, and there's a lot more space to build what we think is going to be great solutions and great options for our customers moving forward and make them successful.